Well, Valent USA is on a mission to help support those who feed the world. They have a number of new innovations to support row crop farmers while also working to cultivate future leaders in the industry. President and CEO Matt Plitt joins us now for an update. Matt, thank you so much for your time. Listen, let's talk about all the work that you guys are doing. Maybe some folks at home may not know. Tell us a little bit background on Valent, what you do, what you stand for.
Yeah, so Valent was founded in 1988 as a joint venture between Sumitomo Chemical and Chevron. And Sumitomo Chemical shortly afterwards took over 100% ownership. So our goal really and our role is to represent their portfolio in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. And that's an integrated portfolio of biorational, botanical, and conventional chemistry.
I want to talk about, obviously, a guy who does what you do. You definitely have a grasp, a perspective on the state of agriculture right now. Talk a little bit about what you see and how you see it.
It's definitely challenging times, and it doesn't really matter what crop you're farming in, but it's challenging. The commodity prices are difficult, the global trade dynamics, and then, of course, the regulations and things that we're all facing. So really, return on investment is the key to it. So it's critical that as a manufacturer and as an innovation provider into agriculture, we're doing everything about the ROI for the grower.
I want to talk a little bit more and expand on that. We talk about weather patterns shifting. We talk about, obviously, you mentioned regulations coming up, emerging pests, weeds, always a concern. How are you helping farmers adapt to this?
So we do everything based on science, and it really is about how we bring innovations and products that can help growers control their pests and grow the highest quality and volume crop that they possibly can. So there's a lot of R&D that goes into that. There's a lot of science, there's a lot of work as we navigate the regulatory pathway that we provide solutions that are sustainable that can help growers really optimize that ROI.
Something that we talk a lot about here at RFD-TV, digital technology.
Yes.
Let's speak to that a little bit.
So we're using digital in multiple ways. In our labs in Japan, we actually use artificial intelligence to help speed up the discovery process. Locally, of course, we're doing everything we can to support the growers through consumer or customer relationship management tools, ways that we can engage, track performance of products in the field, and then also how we manage our operational efficiencies.
Something I really was excited to talk to you about, advancing ag education. Maybe speak to your role in that and also your position with FFA, and you're very involved with that.
We're extremely passionate about ag education. We partner with the United Nations on the SDGs, and one of those that we really believe in is quality education. So as a former FFA member, I'm proud to say that I serve on the Board of Trustees for National FFA. I also serve on the Board of Directors for AFA, or Ag Futures of America. So we have long-term relationships with National FFA, AFA, but also MANRRS. And our goal is really to invest back into the industry, invest in the future leaders, because we're seeing a change of the guard. We're seeing a change in leadership, and we need to make sure that we have strong leaders for the future.
Absolutely. Listen, you're speaking firsthand at this point, being an FFA kid at this point, and seeing some of the kids, maybe they're watching right now. What advice would you give to them? What would you like to see from these kids? And maybe they have an interest in getting involved in agriculture as a job, as a future.
Well, the ag industry is just a wonderful industry, right? It's wonderful people. We do great things as we look to feed the world, clothe the world, fuel the world. It's a great place to be, so jump in. And there's so many careers in agriculture. It's not just the farming aspect. There's roles in finance, human resources, IT, and technology. So there's so many ways that students can get engaged in the industry and add value long term. I
got to tell you, you're a big inspiration, that's for sure. Watching an FFA kid and look at him now, unbelievable. Matt, what a pleasure. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Valent USA President and CEO, that is Matt Plitt.